Welcome guys, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel, and in this video I am telling you guys I am becoming a billionaire. I am becoming a billionaire. Let me tell you why, and let me tell you how. So I received this email in my account, and the subject is if you are capable of being my trusted. So let's read this. If you are capable of being my trusted. Before I introduce myself, I want to confirm you that this letter is not a hoax email, and I urge you to treat it serious. Okay, I'm treating it very serious. This letter must come to you as a big surprise, but I believe it is only a day that people meet and become good friends and business partners. I'm developing trust. Please, I want you to read this letter very carefully, and I must apologize for barging this message into your mailbox without any formal introduction due to urgency and confidentiality of this business, and I know that this message will come to you as a surprise. Blah blah blah, and this is not a joke, and this my name is Mr. uh, Abdirazq Zedbani. Okay, whatever it is, from Burkina Faso, West Africa. I work in Bank of Africa as telex manager. Please see this as a confidential message, and do not reveal it to another person, and let me know whenever you can be of assistance regarding my proposal below, because it is top secret. So let's read what is top secret and how I can be a billionaire. I am about to retire from active bank service to start a new life, but I am skeptical to reveal this particular secret to a stranger. Why you are sending me an email then? Okay, let's go on. You must assure me that everything will be handled confidentially, because we are not going to suffer again in life. It has been 10 years now that most of the greedy African politicians used our bank to launder money overseas through the help of their political advisors. Most of the funds which were transferred out of the shores of Africa were gold and oil money that was supposed to have used to develop the continent. So this guy seemed like caring about his country. Their political advisors always inflated the amounts before transferring to foreign accounts, so I also used the opportunity to divert part of the funds, since I am aware that there is no official trace of how much was transferred, as all the accounts used for such transfers were being closed after transfer. I acted as the bank officer to most of the politicians, and when I discovered that they were using me to succeed in their greedy act, I also cleaned some of their banking records from the bank files, and no one cared to ask me because the bank was too much for them to control. They laundered over $5 billion during this process. So this guy is telling me some secret plan of some dirty politicians of Africa, and the bank is involved in somehow. The Bank of Africa, I believe, yes, the Bank of Africa, BOA. So let's read what he's offering. Before I send this message to you, I have already diverted $10.5 million to an escrow account belonging to no one in the bank. The bank is anxious not to know who the beneficiary to the funds is, because they have made a lot of profits with the funds. It is more than 8 years now, and most of the politicians are no longer using our bank to transfer funds overseas. The $10.5 million have been laying waste in our bank, and I do not want to retire from a bank without transferring the funds to foreign account to enable me to share the proceeds with the receiver, a foreigner. It means the person who is receiving this $10.5 million must be a foreigner. The money will be shared 60% for me and 40% for you. There is no one coming to ask you about the funds, because I secured everything. I only want you to assist me by providing a reliable bank account where the funds can be transferred. Supposedly, this guy is telling me that I share bank detail with this person on email, and this guy will give me 40% of $10.5 million. I am already feeling rich. Next, this is the last part of the email. You are not to face any difficulties or legal implications, as I am going to handle the transfer personally. If you are capable of receiving the funds, do let me know immediately to enable me give you a detailed information on what to do. For me, I have not stolen the money from anyone, because other people that took the whole money did not face any problems. So this is my chance to grab my own life opportunity, but you must keep the details of the funds secret to avoid any leakages, as no one in the bank knows about my plans. I mean, who is this guy? What's going on? Why he considered that the reader is a fool who is reading this? Please get back to me if you are interested and capable of to handle this project. I shall intimate you on what to do when I hear from your confirmation and acceptance. If you are capable of being my trusted associate, do declare your consent to me. I am looking forward to hear from you immediately. For further information, kindly reply this email: abdurrazak.zebdani@hotmail.com, and thanks with best regards, Telex Manager, Bank of Africa, Burkina Faso. Okay, let me just go to this. Let me just Google this. I know this is fake. I know this is spam. I know this is fraud. But let me just try this. What is Bank of Africa? And what was he using? He was saying Burkina Faso. So what the hell is this Burkina Faso? Let me just Google this also. Burkina Faso. Okay, so Burkina Faso is a landlocked country in West Africa. So this is Burkina Faso. Okay, so here it is. This is Burkina Faso, and in Africa, landlocked country, and there is this Bank of Africa. Burkina Faso. Okay, so Bank of Africa, Burkina Faso. This is their official page, I believe. So let me try and open this, and let's see what is in this on their website. It is taking time. This guy is telling me that I can get 40% of $10.5 million by sharing my account. Obviously this is a fraud. So guys, I know I am not going to be a millionaire, at least through this way. So please be aware of such emails. If you receive any, there is no truth in this, and no one will give you anything without there is no free lunch or free dinner. So let's not become a part of this fooling scheme, and let's not insecure our bank accounts. So this is some kind of bank. They are using this bank, Burkina Faso, and they are telling me in this email that I can get 40% of $10.5 million, blah blah blah. And you can get the same message with some variation with a Nigerian prince and dictator's daughter and this and that. So please do not fall into such traps. The purpose of this video is to spread this message that please stay away from these emails and sharing your information as much as you can. Thank you very much.